In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events to calendar on Wix website. By the end, you'll know how to add the Wix Events app, create an event, publish it, and make your calendar match your brand. Start by opening your Wix editor for the site you want to update. On the left toolbar, click Add Apps, search for Wix Events, and choose Add to Site. Wix will instantly set up the essentials for you, including an events page with a built-in calendar and an event details page, so you have a ready-made place for visitors to browse and learn more. This saves you from building layouts from scratch and keeps everything connected behind the scenes. Next, go to your Wix dashboard. From the side menu, click Events, then select Create Event. You'll be asked to choose between a ticketed event or an RSVP event. Choose ticketed if you plan to charge admission or track paid attendance. Choose RSVP if your event is free or you just want to collect guest responses and manage capacity. You can change event settings later, so focus on picking what best fits this event right now. Now enter your event details. Add a clear event name, set the date and time, and specify the location, whether it's a physical address or an online link. Write a concise description that explains who the event is for and what attendees will gain. Upload a strong image to help it stand out on the calendar and details page. If your event is ticketed, set the price, and if you're limiting attendance, add a capacity number. Before you finish, double check time zones and spelling so everything looks professional. When you're ready, click Save and Publish. As soon as you publish, your event will automatically appear on your site's calendar and link to its details page. To match the calendar to your brand, head back to the events page in the editor, click the calendar, and open Settings. From here, you can switch the calendar view between monthly, list, or agenda, depending on how you want visitors to browse. Adjust colors, fonts, and button styles to create a consistent look and make key actions easy to spot. High contrast buttons help increase clicks, and a clean font improves readability, especially on mobile. Take a moment to review the layout and spacing so the calendar feels inviting and easy to scan. And that's it. You've added Wix Events, created and published your first event, and customized the calendar to fit your site's style.